Daily use English sentences. Repeat after me and practice your fluency.
Tell me more about it.
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 Tell me more about it. This is used when you want more details about something.
You are completely right.
You are completely right.
You are completely right.
You are completely right.
You are completely right. This is used to strongly agree with someone.
He needs some rest.
He needs some rest.
He needs some rest.
He needs some rest.
He needs some rest. This is used when a man or boy is tired and should relax or sleep.
I need a little time.
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 I need a little time. This is used when you want a short break or more time to finish something.
It's actually important.
It's actually important.
It's actually important.
It's actually important.
It's actually important. This is used to show that something needs attention or is serious.
Let's wait until tomorrow morning.
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 Let's wait until tomorrow morning. This is used when you want to delay something until the next morning.
I want to sleep early.
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 I want to sleep early. This is used when you plan to go to bed sooner than usual.
Thanks for letting me know.
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 Thanks for letting me know. This is used when someone gives you information and you want to thank them.
Let me check my messages.
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 Let me check my messages. This is used when you want to look at your phone or inbox for new messages.
How do you spell that?
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 How do you spell that? This is used when you want to know the correct spelling of a word.
I'll go back and do it.
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 I'll go back and do it. This is used when you forgot something or made a mistake and need to return to fix it.
I hope everything is fine with you.
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 I hope everything is fine with you. This is used to show care and ask about someone's well-being. Thanks for watching.